Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited today because we are diving into something that can be seriously level up your data games. Those are dimensions and measures in Tableau Public. If you ever scratched your head over how to make those charts pop or understand the data relationships, then this video is for you. So grab your favorite snack and let's get into it. Okay, first thing first, let's break down what exactly dimensions and measures are. Usually data have textual and numerical values. Here, all numerical values are known as measures. You can see the numerical values being with the fields discount, profit, quantity, and sales. All the textual values such as text, geographical value, date and time, boolean are known as dimensions. When data is loaded into a Tableau, it automatically segregates the data into dimensions and measures based on their data type. Let's see a demo how to identify dimensions and measures in the Tableau Public. If you click on the data source here, you can see the preview of the data with all the columns in it. On every column header, there are some symbols you can see. If you click on any icon, you will see 6 types of data type in the Tableau. The data type automatically get assigned on the basis of their column name and their data. Now go back to sheet 1. So in this section of measure and dimension, based on requirement, if you want to change the measure field into a dimension or a dimension field into a measure, you can do it. Dimensions and measures works together to prepare a visual graph. To check this thing, just drag and drop the region in the rows. As soon as you drop the region in the rows, you can see their values, which is central, east, south, and west. If you drop any field from measure in the columns, it will automatically create a graph. You can see the sales has done in each region. Here you can see the column get aggregated with sum of sales. This aggregation can be done with sum, average, minimum, or maximum based on their requirement, where this dimension region has some discrete representation of elements. That's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions about Tableau or anything else data related. Until next time, keep crunching those numbers and I will check you in the next video.